Grabe no, talagang amazing that even here sa factory natin sa Thailand, yung craftsmanship, alam nyo mga madam talagang they really give their best, the workmanship, yung mga artisans natin dito. We're gonna check out inside kung ano yung meron natin ginagawa ng mga pieces natin because now, you know, mga ma'am ko how big Gina Jewels yung ating partners, manufacturing partners abroad. So, I want to show you. So yan, dito naman, dalhin ko kayo pagka meron kami mga ginagawa. Like for example, we're designing sa mga pieces that you like. Ito ang meeting room namin sa factory dito sa Thailand. I'll sit here and talk to the team kung ano pa yung mga suggestions ninyo. Takes a little time for us to create your pieces kasi sobrang dami nyo po talagang request. Basically, this is our rubber mold department. So kung naalala nyo po, dito ginagawa yung ating mga casting and wax to create a beautiful piece of mold ng jewelry natin. So like this one, for example, this one is the code. Kung mapapansin nyo in your invoices, we have our code. So yung code namin na yun, bali dalawa yan, the code of Gina Jewels, code of our manufacturing. For example, these are our designs and each of this layer, meron niya different mga codes. Now for example, your piece is the cross. So nandito ang bawat designs that we have. So ito yan, may mga designs tayo para sa mga pieces na in-order nyo. So parang basically, every layer siya, different designs from different company and clients that we cater. So yan, dito naman tayo ngayon, sa filing department. Ngayon, ito siya for the polishing area natin. Look at this one. If yung natatandaan nyo, meron tayong parang tree na ano siya na parang nasa mold or the casting natin coming from the gold na ito. They cut it and then we have to polish this one. Ito, sila yung magpapolish yung team natin dito and then to create pa yung raw. This is the raw mat of gold and then ito po, ikakat ito tapos ipapolish siya, pakikinisin siya until maging maganda siya and then we put all the diamonds and gems for whatever design that you ordered from us. Tapos dito naman, yung isa natin, isang ginagawa niya kung makikita nyo is the filing. So we want to show how they file. Filing yung ano nila ginagawa. Diba? Para kuminis yung ating mga pieces, para nila siyang mini-nail file, para siya mas maganda yung mga pieces that we have. Same thing here, kinakat natin yung mga edges para walang matalim pagka sinuot natin yung pieces natin. Grabe no, talagang amazing that even here sa factory natin sa Thailand, yung craftsmanship, alam nyo mga madam talagang they really give their best, the workmanship, yung mga artisans natin dito to create a beautiful piece for Gina Jewels. And now we are here at the polishing natin. Nagpa-polishing tayo like that. Ay, grabe, meron tayong chain. Ang ganda, oh. Yan.